Welcome, in front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot your screen lock password and cannot access your device. Now, the best option in such a situation would be to try and memorize the password that worked for you the last time, and if you remember it, but it doesn't work for you, and you still cannot access your device, then try doing the same thing but in safe mode. So that you make sure that your phone isn't lagging and no third-party applications affect your signing in process. So to do that, hold down the power key until you see this menu. On this menu, hold down the power off option and then click OK to reboot your device into safe mode. And once you are rebooted into safe mode, you'll be able to try once again to enter your password. So let's try to do this. Okay, thus this indicator says that we are in a safe mode right now. So let's try to enter the password once again. And if you do succeed, then you simply have to go to settings, then go to security and privacy right here, and then device unlocking, screen lock, enter your password once again, and then on the following screen select none to disable your password, and then just restart your phone by holding down the power key and selecting restart. And once your phone is started, you'll be able to use your device normally once again. But if you didn't succeed entering the password in safe mode, then in such a situation I suggest that you contact Vivo Customer Support service, because if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, then you'll be able to regain access to your smartphone without removing any personal data information from your phone. Now, if you cannot do that, if this option for some reason is unavailable for you, then you can also perform factory reset operation, which will unfortunately remove all data from your device, but will 100% give you let you regain access to your phone. So to do this, you can either use a recovery mode, and if you don't know how to do that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset through recovery mode on this VIVO X200 FE smartphone. So if you need it, simply go ahead, check it out, and you surely won't do anything wrong with this video. Now, the other way to perform factory reset is remotely, and you can use your Google account that is connected to your smartphone for that. If you didn't disable Find My Device feature manually on your phone, then you'll be able to open your web browser on any other device, log in to Find Hub service by Google using the email address that is connected to your smartphone, then select the smartphone on the list and select factory reset to perform factory reset remotely. Once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to regain access to your device and set it up as a new smartphone. Now, I hope that this video helped you, because this is all I had to mention, and if some of my advice helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.